Trading bullish throughout the week, the dollar index erased all the gains towards the end of the week and seen a good fall. Still, it is trying to trade within this channel. This is a bullish channel, and remember, it is trying to reverse. This is a ascending wedge, and yes, probably breaking out this, or again the bearishness may resume. Now we had seen this last week's analysis that 109.5 114, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Now what to expect next week, how to profit trading dollar index, and yes, again linked to dollar index, there are multiple currencies, forex indices and commodities which can be predicted, and hence watch this analysis very carefully, understand what we are looking at. With the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we will try to define the strategy for next week. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels. So do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels, and do not miss to subscribe this channel, because missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits, as you are missing on the daily analysis on major global markets and commodities also. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start. Now see, we have to observe it more carefully. See these three candles, lower lows, and if you connect the dot from here, higher highs. Now see the complete movement, 110.5 to 113 levels, almost half points of move, and yes, that may 111.25 as the pivot point for this. Till the time it trades below 111.25, see, it is potentially looking at 110, and we had already seen in our previous analysis 110 and 109.5. These are a very good support levels. It is achieved it once, and also look at this on the daily charts. It is giving you lower highs, it is giving you lower lows. Now 109 levels are going to be a very strong support. I'll be careful and be watchful at 109.5, 109. So till the time it trades below 111.25, potentially dollar index may break below 110, and in fact 109.5, 109 levels breaking below 109, there is little bearishness which may come into picture. So this is one observation on the daily charts. Also look at the daily charts, it is consolidated here 108 till 108, the next support, and below that there is a lot much ground to cover, which we'll see in the further charts. Now look at the weekly charts. The weekly chart, the weekly candle is still traded in green. It failed to close in red, though it has erased all the gains for the throughout the week. And next week, if you see it dropping below the zone at 110.2, yes, you can remain short below 110.2. The next target is 109.5, 109. Breaking below 109, 108 is the major support here. You have to remain cautious and alert. Remember, two candles, red candles, and one with a larger tail. This time it tried to pull back, and potentially opening on the upside, it can again try to rise from here and again attempt and achieve 114. So yes, 109.5, 114, this circle which it is trying to trade in, this zone which it is trying to trade in, which will remain probably intact if it continues to rise above 111.25 levels. Now look at the monthly charts. Beautifully on the monthly charts, lower highs are done, very well aligned. It appears it is not going to go past this zone at 113 levels. Now it is trying to form a body, and this is the first week, and it is trying to form a body. There is a potential. See, it is still shying away from breaking 110. Once it breaks past 110 levels, consider that as bearish, and potentially we may see it forming a stronger candle, taking it till towards 108 in the month of November itself, and then below 108 is also very much possible, when it may try to attempt and achieve this zone. But whether it is going to happen in a month or it is take some time, that we need to look at. But the next support zone is directly at 104, 105. Achieving those levels, there is a potential reversal can be expected. Right now, this is the first time after long it is given two red candles. See, it is traded in this channel, and this is an expanding channel there. Let me redraw it for you. If you just connect the dots, now it is trying to break past. So any drop below 110.02, you can sell there, and you can expect that we are looking forward to a good drop. 110.2 I am saying, below 110.2 you can expect a good drop. Then 109, 108 levels cannot be denied, and below that you can expect a sharper drop, which might try to take it till towards 100, 104, 105 levels in the month of November itself. Now this is just on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. On the see the 20 and 50 period moving average coming together here at 111.5 112 zone, which is a good resistance now. So it is traded below this. Now it is trying to trade moderately bearish. Now once it drops below 110.02, certainly or rather I'll say 110, certainly you can expect 109.5 109 levels, and in fact it can drop below 109, then there could be more bearishness which can be expected. Directional movement, looking forward to a bearish cross. Stochastic falling from the cliff. It was overbought and now looking forward to a drop. The MACD was trying to converge and it is again looking forward to diverge from here. RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts for ages, it is now traded in above the 20 weeks average and it is traded bullish here. It is traded in this channel here. Now it is traded below, trading below the median and almost below at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, bottom of this channel, which is a rising channel and bullish channel. If it drops below 110, what next? Yes, it may try to trade a little bit bearish, and then you can expect that the first target at around 109 108, which is going to be a very good support. Below that you can expect a very good fall which might bring it till towards 105 104 levels. If not this month, then probably by next month it may achieve 104 105 levels, and then the upward journey can resume. Now look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts to see how it has behaved so far. And on the monthly chart, this is given a breakout already, and hence this could be considered a bearish break where we may see potentially little more drops and trading below 110. Certainly you can remain short on dollar index. You can potentially expect 108 and 105 levels also in the month of November itself. Hence you have to remain cautious. There is still a potential for it to drop further. Now it is trading above 120 and 50 period moving average, indicating extreme bullishness. Also it is trading with a divergence. See the lower average and see the delta there. It is far extremely bullish and hence probably consolidate a bit. The MACD is divergent and bullish and it is extremely divergent. There is a possibility for it to converge from here, and hence this month there is a probability that it may try to show you a little drop. Look at the MACD. This was trading extremely over stochastic. Look at this. This was trading extremely overbought. Now looking downwards, probably it may give you a little drop, and hence 108 105 levels cannot be denied. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge. Let's see if it crosses over here. The RSI is overbought too. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the levels and strategy for next week. Remember, in order to profit, you have not to do anything extraordinary. Just stick to the levels, and as and when the milestone or the first resistance level or the targets achieved, you should close either 50% of your trade, either close a complete trade and take a re-entry. Likewise, slowly and steadily increase your profits. Just stick and abide to the levels and the strategy. Definitely, I am sure you will profit here. So where to buy? I will only recommend you to buy at 111.25 till the time it trades below 111.25. I will not recommend you to buy anything. Beyond that, my next target is 111.66 and then 112. Now 112 should be a good resistance, and then beyond that we may directly be looking at 112.8 and 113.2. Now see, only and only if you see dollar index trading above 113.2, consider that as a bullish breakout, and then beyond which it is going to fly high. We may see it again hitting 114 115 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit. So you have to be very cautious in between 112 and 113.2. 113.2 definitely a major stronger resistance on the upside. So take your trades accordingly. On the downside, where to sell? I will only recommend you to sell here at 110.25. Below 110.25 stay short. The next target is 109.5, which is very strong support, and then 109. Once 109 is taken, consider that as bearish, and then we can see it dropping sharply, which might take it till towards 108, and dropping below 108 stay short for 106.5 105 levels, the next major support zone. Hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and remember you can correlate this analysis for dollar index for the major moves in FX, be it xauusd, xauusd, that is gold and silver, be it crude oil and natural gas. You can just match your analysis with those, and definitely you can find a winning trade for either of these. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signal group. Definitely you can become a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details on how to contact me. The email ID, the telegram ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. If you scroll below the video, you will find the video description, and in that you will find the email ID and the contact details. So reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, trading week ahead. Thank you.